nato ni? Nawala naman tay tubig.
Mangaliya kita kang Senyor Santo Niño.
Senyor Santo Niño.
Ay maya kay kaumisan ngamusan ko sa imong ginharian ug mga pulong mo pagapuyan o pagauptan kay kaumisan o Santo Niño kanimo lamang magadai magasimba magasalig kaway utlana kay kaumisan.
Senyor!
Float entry number 25 to enter the venue. Grab and move it.
Surprisingly, it wasn't really more on the ocean
Yes.
theme, no? They went back to the Sinulog and it's really delving on the faith itself.
Yes. I was actually expecting a free interpretation entry from Moal Boal, but they gave us SB, right?
Well, anyway, it's still a beautiful performance from Moal Boal Cebu. Been doing for the longest time. Thank you so much for that. And I'm pretty sure that everyone is actually waiting for the next performance as well. Can we introduce them right now, or you want it like later na?
Let's read first our shout outs. We have a shout out greeting to Bontes family from Adam Hill from the UK and Laika watching from Vietnam from Laika Bontes. Shout out to Tumulak and Abanya family from Lapu-Lapu City, Uglabaw Baterna family sa Misamis Occidental from New Zealand. From Walter Modar Tumulak. Shout out to Ruiz family, Ilagan family from Mandaue, from Mary Grace Ruiz. Merry Chris Ruiz. Shout out to La Pasaran and Navalta Lita family from Barangay